and welcome to Monetizing Manus AI, turning autonomous AI into revenue. We are at a pivotal moment. Artificial intelligence has moved beyond experimental projects and is now a real driver of revenue. Manus AI represents a breakthrough in autonomous agent technology. It can perform complex tasks independently across many areas without constant human supervision. Today, we will look at practical strategies to turn Manus AI's power into real income and clear returns on investment. Whether you are a business leader, entrepreneur, or tech strategist, you will walk away with useful methods to make money using AI. We will talk about the current monetization landscape, specific business models, how to implement them, and real-world examples. By the end, you will know how to turn Manus AI into a valuable asset that earns money. Let's begin this journey of turning innovation into real business success. In the year 2025, AI has moved from being experimental to being a major source of income. The global AI market is now worth over $500 billion, and it is expected to reach $1 trillion by the year 2027. That's a 38% annual growth rate. More importantly, spending habits have changed. 3 years ago, 70% of AI spending went toward research and infrastructure. Today, over 65% is focused on generating revenue and improving critical business operations. This shows a big shift. The question is no longer, can AI work? It is now, how can AI bring value? We see many successful models. These include subscription-based AI services, pricing based on transactions or outcomes, and even entire online marketplaces powered by AI. However, there are still challenges. Choosing the right model, scaling up small projects, and clearly showing the value to customers are all key obstacles. Manus AI is a smart system that acts on its own. Unlike older AI tools that focus on one task, Manus can handle many types of work with very little human help. It understands text, images, sound, and video all at once. It uses a team of specialized agents that work together like a smart digital crew. Manus is great at planning and problem solving. It breaks big goals into smaller steps and can adjust as things change. It also connects well with other tools, databases, and software. The best part is that Manus keeps getting better. It learns from experience, which means it becomes more useful over time. This level of independence changes the game. Manus can manage entire processes on its own. That opens the door to new areas where AI can save time and money. In today's busy AI market, Manus stands out because it is truly independent. Many tools say they are autonomous, but still need a lot of human help. Manus needs 78% less human input than the top competitors. It performs better across many areas of business. In fact, it beats other tools in 63% of cross-domain tasks. It also needs 60% fewer examples to learn a new job, which means it is faster to launch and cheaper to set up. It connects easily with more than 200 business apps, saving time and cost on integration. Its security and compliance tools give strong data control, audit logs, and support for major regulations, a must in industries with strict rules. Best of all, tests show Manus gives 42% better return on investment than other tools solving the same problems. It saves on setup, works faster, costs less to run, and gets more done. There are two main ways to earn money with AI, direct and indirect. Direct monetization means you make money directly from your AI product or service. Indirect monetization means AI helps your business work better, which increases profits without directly charging for AI. We have found 5 strong strategies for making money with autonomous AI. First, the add-on model adds AI features to products you already sell. It uses your current customer base and gives them extra value they'll pay for. Second, the standalone product model creates brand new products powered by AI aimed at specific markets. Third, The efficiency value model uses AI to cut costs and improve how things work inside your business. Fourth, the experience enhancement model uses AI to improve how customers interact with your services, which helps you keep them longer and charge more. Fifth, the ecosystem model builds AI platforms that connect users, partners, and tools, creating an entire business around your AI system. Choosing the right model depends on your market, what your company is good at, what your competitors are doing, and what value your AI brings. For example, companies with existing products often start with add-ons, while companies with high internal costs may focus on efficiency. This framework gives you the tools to choose the best path forward. The add-on model means adding AI features to products you already sell. These features are premium, meaning customers pay extra for them. This works best when AI adds clear and valuable improvements. Examples include smart reports in business software, automated tools in work apps, or personalized suggestions in online stores. The benefits? You already have the customers. You don't need to find new ones. You get to market faster and sell with less effort. You will need a smart pricing plan. Many companies charge 20 to 40% more for AI-powered versions of their products. To succeed, the AI feature must give real, visible results. It should also work smoothly with the tools customers already use. Revenue can grow quickly. Most companies see a 15 to 30% increase in revenue from current customers within 12 to 18 months. And as AI gets better, this model keeps growing. Standalone products are new services or tools that are built entirely around AI. This strategy has the biggest earning potential, but also the highest risk and cost. It works best when AI solves a big problem that has not been solved before. Examples include AI-powered data analysis platforms, self-service customer support systems, or smart tools for reading and managing documents. To succeed, the product must solve a real need, stand out from what's already on the market, and show clear value. Pricing options include monthly subscriptions, usage-based pricing, or charging based on results. The upside is big. These products can grow fast and make high profits, but they need more money and time to launch. You may have to educate customers and go through long sales cycles. Still, for companies willing to invest, this strategy creates the strongest long-term business growth. Indirect monetization doesn't charge money for AI directly. Instead, it helps your business save money or create better results. There are 3 common approaches. 1. Value-added services. Use AI to make your current services better. For example, AI insights in a consulting firm or smart automation in a factory. This improves your service and lets you charge more without separating the AI cost. 2. Cost reduction. Use AI to do tasks faster, cheaper, or with fewer people. This saves money and frees up resources for other work. 3. Better customer experiences. Use AI to make things smoother, more personal, or faster for your customers. This keeps people loyal, reduces cancellations, and increases how much each customer is worth over time. With indirect models, the key is not how much you make from AI, but how much AI improves your whole business. Often, this approach leads to stronger results than direct sales alone. After analyzing the market, we've identified 10 business models that work well for AI agents like Manus. Each one meets specific needs and has strong income potential. These models fall into 3 groups. First, models that focus on operational efficiency, like automating customer support, recruiting, or generating content. Second, models that enhance the customer experience, such as digital personal assistants, smart marketing, or AI in online shopping. Third, models that offer specialized services in fields like healthcare, finance, law, or education. Each model has different levels of difficulty, income potential, and ideal timing for launch. What they all have in common is clear value for users, strong demand, measurable returns, and the ability to scale. Most of these can be launched using Manus AI today, though some might need customization for specific industries. Annual revenue can range from a few $100,000 to tens of millions, depending on your market and execution. Let's look at 5 of the most important models in detail. Automating customer support is a huge opportunity. This market is worth $62 billion and offers fast returns. Manus AI can handle customer questions, returns, complaints, and follow-ups. It works across different channels and understands context, making it far better than simple chatbots. How do you make money with this? You can charge per customer interaction, around $2 to $5 per solved case. Monthly, like $500 to $5,000 per virtual agent, or based on results, like a percentage of cost savings. Companies that use this model often cut support costs by 40 to 60%, respond faster, and make customers happier. Payback usually takes 6 to 12 months. Industries like online retail, software, and finance are especially eager for this solution. To succeed, you need to connect Manus to your support tools, define rules for what it can and cannot do, and let it learn from real interactions. What makes Manus special is that it can handle complex, multi-step problems, something most automation tools can't do. Personalized marketing is a $340 billion industry. More businesses want to use AI to create one-on-one experiences with their customers. Manus AI can analyze data, write tailored campaigns, adjust content across platforms, and guide customers through their journey automatically. You can charge in a few different ways. A percentage of the marketing budget, like 5 to 15%, based on results, such as cost per new customer, or a monthly subscription, usually between $1,000 and $10,000 depending on size. Companies using this model often see a 25 to 40% increase in sales, 30 to 50% lower marketing costs, and a 20 to 35% increase in lifetime value per customer. The return on investment is often over 300% in the first year. To succeed, you need good data, strong connections to marketing systems, and clear ways to measure success. This model works best for online stores, digital services, and businesses where personalization drives sales. There's growing demand for tools that help people manage their time and tasks. That's where virtual personal assistants come in. Manus AI can schedule meetings, answer messages, research information, coordinate projects, and handle complex task chains, all by itself. This goes far beyond simple calendar apps. Pricing models include monthly subscriptions between $50 and $500 per user, enterprise plans from $5,000 to $5,000 per year, or pricing based on time saved, tied to how much your time is worth. Benefits include 15 to 25% increase in productivity, 30 to 40% less admin work, and improved work-life balance. Companies often see a return of 200 to 400%, especially when used by busy professionals like executives, consultants, or entrepreneurs. For success, deep connections to productivity tools are essential. You'll also need strong privacy settings and continuous learning from user behavior. Content creation is a massive opportunity. The content marketing industry is worth over $400 billion and growing fast. Manus AI can research topics, write articles, create social media posts, and keep your brand voice consistent across platforms. Because Manus is autonomous, it doesn't just fill templates. It creates original, high-quality content that sounds human and makes sense. Revenue models include charging by the piece, usually $10 to $100 per item, monthly subscriptions ranging from $500 to $5,000. Or charging based on value, for example, a percentage of the client's content marketing budget. Most companies see 60 to 80% less time spent creating content, 40 to 50% cost savings, and more consistent quality. The return on investment is often achieved in just 3 to 6 months. This model works well for marketing agencies, corporate content teams, publishers, and e-commerce businesses. What makes Manus different? It can research and synthesize information on its own, making it suitable for high-end clients and professional use. There's a growing need for personalized financial advice, especially for people who can't afford traditional advisors. This market is worth over $1.2 trillion. Manus AI can analyze someone's financial situation, recommend investments, track portfolios, help with taxes, and offer financial education, all on autopilot. Monetization options include charging a small annual fee, like 0.5% to 1.5% of assets managed, monthly subscriptions from $50 to $500, or transaction-based pricing, like a fee for each trade or financial plan created. Benefits include better returns, lower costs than human advisors, and around-the-clock access. In many cases, clients actually prefer the AI for its speed and personalization. Regulatory rules are important here. You'll need proper licenses, clear ethical guidelines, and risk controls. To succeed, Manus needs access to live financial data and the ability to learn from user decisions. This model is especially valuable for younger professionals and small business owners who are often overlooked by traditional financial services. Rolling out Manus AI in your organization should follow 4 clear phases. This helps reduce risk and make sure you get the most value. Phase 1 is planning. You look at current workflows, find high-value areas for AI, define what success looks like, and build a timeline. This usually takes 2 to 4 weeks. Phase 2 is a pilot. You launch Manus in a small area, connect it to your systems, teach it the tasks, and measure the results. This stage often takes 4 to 8 weeks. Phase 3 is scaling. You take what worked in the pilot, expand it to more areas, improve performance, and involve more users. Expect this stage to take 8 to 12 weeks. Phase 4 is full deployment. This means a complete rollout across the organization, employee training, and building systems for ongoing improvement. This step usually finishes in 3 to 6 months. What makes the difference? Support from leadership, clear communication, strong training, and a feedback loop for continuous learning. Most companies that follow this roadmap see a positive return on investment in 6 to 12 months. Understanding the costs of using Manus AI helps you plan and measure your return on investment. Startup costs usually include software licenses from $5,000 to $5,000 per year, integration services from $1,000 to $100,000 depending on complexity, training and change management from $5,000 to $25,000, and any custom setup, which can run $1,000 to $5,000. Ongoing costs include monthly subscription fees, maintenance and updates, ongoing training, and staff to manage or support the AI system. These range from $2,000 to $2,000 per month, depending on how much you use. But here's the good news. In most cases, cost savings cover these expenses within 6 to 12 months. Typical benefits include 30 to 60% lower labor costs, 20 to 40% productivity boosts, 50 to 80% fewer errors, and 25 to 50% faster product delivery. To control costs, start with use cases that offer the biggest wins. Use your existing systems when possible, and scale in stages to prove value before making large investments. To measure success with Manus AI, you need a full framework that captures both direct income and indirect value. Let's break it down. Direct income includes New products that bring in revenue, more sales from improved services, higher prices due to smarter AI features, and savings from automating work. Productivity gains are also key. Track how much time employees save, how much more work they complete, how fast projects finish, and how much better their decisions are. Quality improvements include fewer mistakes and do-overs, better customer reviews, fewer support tickets, and higher product or service ratings. Competitive edge can be measured by gaining more market share, keeping customers longer, launching new ideas faster, and reaching new markets. Use a 3-year view when calculating return on investment. Include all costs and benefits. And remember, as the AI gets smarter, its value increases over time. Most companies see a 200 to 500% return over 3 years. Keep checking your numbers and updating your approach. That way, you keep growing the value Manus AI brings to your business. Let's look at real companies using Manus AI. Example 1. An e-commerce company used Manus for customer support. In just 6 months, they cut support costs by 45% and improved customer satisfaction by 30%. They saved over $200,000 per year and broke even in 8 months. Example 2. A marketing agency used Manus to write content. They cut production time by 65%, which let them serve 40% more clients with the same team. That added $500,000 to their yearly income. Example 3. A financial firm used Manus for client advice. This allowed them to work with smaller clients they couldn't serve before. They added $1.2 million in new income with a 60% profit margin. Example 4. A manufacturing company used Manus for supply chain optimization. They reduced inventory by 25% and improved delivery times by 15%. They saved $800,000 per year and made customers happier. What made these projects succeed? Clear goals, leadership support, staff training, and ongoing fine-tuning based on performance. The AI world is moving fast, and the future brings exciting changes. Here are 5 trends you should watch. 1. We're moving from task automation to full decision-making. AI won't just do what you say. It will figure out what needs to be done. 2. AI ecosystems and marketplaces are growing. These platforms will connect tools, services, and people, powered by intelligent agents. 3. New pricing models are coming. Instead of flat rates, companies will pay based on results or outcomes. 4. Regulation is increasing, especially in finance, healthcare, and education. Smart businesses will see this as an opportunity to lead with safe, ethical AI. 5. AI is merging with other technologies, like Internet of Things, edge computing, and even quantum computing. The biggest wins will go to companies that act early, stay informed, stay flexible, and focus on customer value, not just technology. We've covered how to turn Manus AI into a source of real business value. Here are the most important takeaways. Align your AI strategy with business goals. Use both direct and indirect ways to monetize. Execute your rollout carefully. Keep improving over time. What should you do next? Look at where AI can help in your company. Set clear success goals and return targets. Start with a focused test project. Train your team and get ready to scale. Remember, AI monetization is about transforming your business, not just adding new tech. Companies that succeed at this gain long-term advantages and unlock powerful new growth. The AI revolution is here, and it's just getting started. With the right plan, the right tools, and ongoing commitment, Manus AI can become a true revenue engine for your business. Thank you for listening. I'd be glad to answer any questions or help you apply these ideas to your company.